You don't need to do it anymore, do you?
Yeah.
But some people do, though.
Yeah, but some people are different, aren't they?
Yeah. They just like to be safe, don't they?
Yeah, but I've done both vaccines now.
Yeah, so have I, yeah.
So...
Yeah, I have as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've done my one.
26. Yeah.
Alton?
Yeah. 98. And you know what else is crazy, Maddie? Guess what? My taxi didn't turn up.
Taxi?
Yeah.
What's a taxi?
To get to Woking.
Huh?
Tried to get to Woking.
Oh, what?
Yeah, but...
Yeah.
Yeah, well, basically I was booked a taxi, but guess what? It failed to turn up.
But when did you book a taxi?
On Tuesday.
Why?
To get a lift to Woking Station. And then, guess what? When I got up about 5:30, you know, trying to take my delays, guess what? He didn't turn up.
What number was that? What number of taxi was it?
It was from I'll show you the phone number in a minute and such.
6 7s.
It was one of those really big seats at the back and things. So. Yeah.
Because you've got 6. Well, I don't know. There's all kinds of different ones.
Yeah.
You've got Brookwood cabs here. And, it failed to turn up. Did you call them?
No, I didn't. I just had to go down to Brookwood instead.
So, I don't understand that, do you?
Me.
It didn't turn up.
Yeah, I had to get another train ticket from Brookwood.
Oh, good God. I can't believe they done that. You must report them.
No.
You must report them, because if you don't report them,
Yeah.
basically they just think they can get away with it every time.
Yeah.
But you must find out what the.
I got the phone number for the company anyway.
Yeah, if you've got the phone number for the company, then email them and complain to them.
Yeah.
Don't just sit there and do nothing, because they get away with it.
Yeah. There's no train.
Well, this one's going.
Portsmouth Harbour. That's always going to Portsmouth Harbour. It's always an 8 car. Always a
London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour.
Yeah. The usual 12 car. I can't believe why they can't have 8 cars anymore now.
I don't understand.
Yeah.
I actually think that even though the social distancing thing's gone,
Yeah.
I still think they keep these 12 carts on because they still want people spaced out.
Yeah.
That's what I think.
Yeah.
Now, when I get on my train,
Yeah.
it's a lot of space there
Yeah.
because it's probably a 12 cart. Most of the time, it's a 12 cart.
Yeah.